Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step how to watch Amazon Prime Video on your PlayStation 5. It's quick, easy, and you'll be streaming your favorite movies and shows in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your PlayStation 5. Press the power button on your PS5 or use your controller to turn it on. Make sure your console is connected to the internet and that you're signed in to your PlayStation Network account. Step 2. Go to the home screen. Once your PS5 is on, navigate to the home screen. This is where you can find all your games and media apps. Step 3. Open the Media tab. At the top of the screen, you'll see two main tabs, Games and Media. Use your controller to move to the Media tab. This section contains all your streaming and entertainment apps. Step 4. Find Amazon Prime Video. If you already have the Amazon Prime Video app installed, you'll see it listed under your media apps. If not, scroll to the All Apps section or select Search and type Amazon Prime Video. Step 5. Download the app. When you find the Amazon Prime Video app, select it and choose Download. Wait for the installation to complete. This should only take a minute or two. Step 6. Launch Amazon Prime Video. Once the app is installed, open it from the Media tab. You'll be greeted with the Amazon Prime Video welcome screen. Step 7. Sign in to your Amazon account. Select Sign In and choose your preferred method. Sign in directly on your PS5 using your email and password, or sign in using a web browser by visiting primevideo.com/mytv and entering the activation code shown on your TV screen. Step 8. Start watching. After signing in, the app will automatically refresh and display your Prime Video homepage. You can now browse, select, and start watching any movie or series available on Amazon Prime Video. That's it. You've successfully set up and started watching Amazon Prime Video on your PlayStation 5. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials and streaming guides.